Hello and welcome to Puzzle Masters product review. Today we will be taking a closer look at All Tetrapod puzzle. This puzzle was designed by Asanori Yamamoto and made by Pelikan in Czech Republic with absolutely fantastic quality. The All Tetrapod puzzle was made using two different types of wood, Wenge and Paduk. Difficulty level of this puzzle is 9 out of 10 on a Puzzle Masters difficulty scale that runs from 5 to 10. And the object of the puzzle is to fit all parts inside the frame in such a way that all openings of the frame will be covered. There will be no sticking out parts and there will be no gaps. And as you can see, this puzzle has 8 parts. At a first glance, this puzzle doesn't look difficult since you can see well familiar parts here. All of them are made of 4 voxels, but it is just on a first glance. Actually, the puzzle is quite a challenge since you have a relatively big but small opening, and you will find why it's small as soon as you try to put parts inside, since it is quite easy to put this long piece inside, but as soon as a couple of parts are inside, it's becoming much more challenging to put something else. So I can put this piece inside, then maybe try to put this one, but then there are a couple of parts that quite challenging to fit, and you wish the cutout was a little bit bigger. As you can see, I have 2 parts and I don't know how to put them inside so that they don't stick out. So it will be quite a challenge and it will be a fun puzzle to solve. If you like the All Tetrapod puzzle and you want to buy it, go to puzzlemaster.ca. See you next time.